Hey, it's John from Perfect Follow Up. And first off, I just want to congratulate you and welcome you to Perfect Follow Up and thank you for your business. We truly feel this software is going to help you generate more qualified leads, help you convert those leads into paying customers, not to mention automate a ton of those time consuming tasks that you're doing now in your business manually. So, welcome aboard. In this video, we're going to show you a couple initial setup steps that we recommend you do first. The reason for that is because it's very important with any software that's using text messages or emails to stay compliant with the ever growing regulations around TCPA text message compliance and email key and spam laws. Now, if you don't know what those things are, don't worry about it. We got you. So there's a couple settings that we definitely recommend you dig into first, and let me show you exactly where they are. So when you first log into your Perfect Follow-Up account, you'll be met with your dashboard. More on this later, but I'd like for you to navigate down to the bottom left of your taskbar where settings reside. And then you're going to go where it says business profile. Now in your business profile, there's 4 sections that I would like you to fill out and at least verify the information is accurate and correct. Now, you can always come back here later if you need to change something, but we do highly recommend that you get it right the first time because this information is going to go into your business registration. All right. So under the first section here, you have a friendly business name, you have your legal business name, and then you have some contact information for that business, like your email, your phone number, your website, and then also your niche. You can change this. The niche isn't totally important, but you can pick one of these that's relevant to your business. Now, once that's filled out, make sure you select the green Save Update button. All right. I don't want you to fill this out and then have to come back later when it erases. So save often, save frequently. So the next one is your business type. So select if you're an LLC, individual contributor, if you're an S Corp, whatever's relevant to your business type, and then your industry. Now, if you're not sure about what industry matches up with what you do, consumer seems to work for everybody. Now here, based on the business type that you've selected up top, you're going to input your registration ID. So that registration ID type typically is an EIN number, but yours may vary, right? The last section here is going to be your region of operations, which for most of our customers will be the US and Canada. And again, click the green button to save. Now, if you scroll up here again to the top, we have some more business information. This is more about your physical address and your physical location. So street address, city, zip code, pretty self-explanatory. The one thing that's most important in this section is your time zone. When we're sending out those emails and text messages, we want to make sure that we're staying not only compliant, but respectful. So you don't want a text message to go out around 3 a.m., right? So let's make sure that the time zone is selected as accurate for that local business location. And then again, update address, click here. Now, the last section in business profile will be the authorized representative of your business. So you can put in the name, email, their position, and of course, their phone number. Recommend if it's a cell or mobile, that way, if we need to text them, we can do that efficiently. And again, update information here. The rest of the forms or fields, I should say, on this page should be pre-filled out for you. So nothing to worry about. Now, where I would like you to go next is if you go down to integrations, here's where you're going to connect Perfect Follow-Up to all of your different informational sources. And this is really where the magic starts. So when we do things like Facebook ads or TikTok ad, we need to be able to capture the lead information that we're pulling in from those lead forms. So you want to connect your Facebook, your Instagram account, your TikTok account. If you use Slack, we have integration for Slack as well. Also Google. If we're going to be doing any sort of integration with a Google Calendar, Google My Business page, or say Google Local Service Ads, make sure that the Google account or accounts that you integrate with here reflect those pages and sources. All right. Now, once those 2 major steps are finished, the third thing I would recommend you do is secure a phone number. All right. Or phone numbers in your case. Where you'll navigate for that is settings and then phone numbers. And then you can purchase or lease a number right through our interface through the phone numbers menu here. When you click add number, you can simply put in the area code that relates to your local business location and then select a number or numbers that you would like to have. The last thing, and maybe the most important, is the registration in Trust Center. So once all the other steps are done, you'll navigate to Trust Center here. And then the first step will be business profile. Okay. Now, if you submit this for review, it should go through pretty much instantly. But if you notice you have some red marks here, it's just informing you that you've missed a field or two in your business profile. So if you are seeing red, just go over to your business profile. I actually give you a nice little shortcut here and make sure all these fields are filled out to completion. Again, once that's done, hop back over to phone numbers, Trust Center, and then submit for review. And if it goes through without any issues or pop-ups, you're home free. Now, the next two steps we can help do for you. It's your A2P brand and campaign registration. That's a mouthful. What it's doing is it's registering the campaign types that you'll be sending out through those SMS messages. The third is really cool, shaken and stir. So once these two are complete, set up shaken and stir trust calling. Basically how this works is if you're receiving a lot of phone calls and text messages and your caller ID says spam likely, that's super annoying. When you're calling your leads and your customers, you don't want them to see that either. So shaken and stir, again, it's just enabling your account to be a trusted source of calling or texting. And when you do that, the person at the other end will see your business name instead of spam. So super important because it's all about conversions. You want people to trust who's calling them and who's texting them so you get more replies, more business. All right. So if you have any questions at all at any time, you can always open up a support ticket. You just navigate to open support ticket. Put in your information, a brief summary of what you're encountering or the questions that you have. If you have Loom, you can create a quick video of your screen demonstrating the problem or question that you may have and send the URL to us in the ticket as well. It's going to help the ticket get processed much faster and get you back on the road. And we'll have many more training videos on how to best use this account in our YouTube training section. Thank you for your business. Super excited to work with you and help you grow your business.